how to add tags or label to numbers in the call history on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the Recents tab. Then we tap on the More button at the top here. Now go down and tap on View and Edit Tags. And here tap on the Add button and then enter in the text and put in the phone number that you want to add. Then tap on Saved. Okay, so this is save and tag. So it is not saved as a contact, rather it is just a tag attached to a phone number. And here you can view it by tapping on the View and Edit Tags. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.